All right, so here are the Galaxy Buds 2 from Samsung in Graphite. So we'll open that up. And so that's the inner cover of the box. And those are the earbuds pack. I guess there's what, like directions and some warranty information and all your goodies in there. So start guide. Okay, so here's the earbud case, and then that's the back. That's the charging port. Open that up, and there they are in graphite. They look great. Oh, and it looks like they have a little bit of a charge with them as well. So, all right, there you go. That is what they look like out of the box, and some quick stats on it. It looks like they were calling for where were the stats? Oh, so they're claiming a clear and rich sound with two-way speakers, active noise canceling, which is excellent, comfortable fit, and it's got 5 to 20 hours playtime, and depending on how much time you have them sit idle. But anyway, so that's everything that's in the box, and here is the charging cable that comes with it. And what is that little thing? Oh, I guess those are extra, extra earpieces, which is cool. And then it has the little charging cable here, your standard. And yep, that's everything that's in the box. Okay, Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching Galaxy Buds 2.